Hello and welcome back, health seekers. Today we're learning how to unlock your body's potential with our guide to enhancing flexibility right from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will demonstrate a series of effective and easy to follow at-home moves designed to improve your flexibility, increase your range of motion, and promote overall well-being. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your practice, these exercises are perfect for all levels. Before we stretch into the details, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to join the Better Health community. Our channel is designed to help people all over the world achieve better with impactful and insightful health, wellness and fitness content. Thank you for your support. Flexibility is more than just touching your toes or doing a perfect split. It's about having the range of motion to move through your daily life with ease and confidence. When you're flexible, you can tackle physical tasks without straining, you can recover faster from workouts, and you can even reduce your risk of injury. That's why today, we're excited to share with you some effective at-home moves to help you unlock your flexibility. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to improve their flexibility is finding the time to do it. We're all busy, and it's easy to let flexibility exercises fall by the wayside. Another challenge is thinking you need a lot of space or equipment to get started. You might imagine you need a yoga studio or a bunch of props, but the truth is, you can get started with just your own body and a little bit of floor space. And then there's the mindset challenge, thinking that flexibility is only for the young or the super bendy. Flexibility is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. You just need to be willing to start where you are and be patient with your progress. Finally, there's the misconception that flexibility exercises have to be boring or tedious. But trust me, the exercises I'm about to share with you are going to be fun and engaging, and you'll be motivated to keep coming back for more. Join us as we explore dynamic stretches, static holds, and mobility drills that will help you unlock new levels of flexibility. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to a more agile and mobile you. Don't forget to grab your mat and a towel, and let's get started on this journey towards improved flexibility. Alright, let's get to it. Number 1. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg extended straight and the other bent so that the sole of your foot is against the inner thigh of the extended leg. Reach forward towards the toes of the extended leg while keeping your back straight. Hold for 30 seconds and alternate legs. Number 2. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee with the other foot in front, creating a 90-degree angle with both legs. Push your hips forward gently while keeping your back straight. You should feel a stretch in the front of the hip and thigh of the kneeling leg. Hold for 30 seconds and alternate legs. Number 3. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, then reach forward with your arms and lower your torso towards the floor. Rest your forehead on the ground and hold the position for 60 seconds. Number 4. Shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your body and use the opposite arm to gently pull it closer to your chest. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and switch arms. Number 5. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back, cow pose, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Exhale and round your back, cat pose, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine. Repeat for 60 seconds. By incorporating these exercises into your regular routine, you can start to see improvements in just a few weeks. Remember, the key is to be consistent and patient. Flexibility doesn't happen overnight, but with regular practice, you can get there. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you're excited to start unlocking your flexibility. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite flexibility exercise, and be sure to subscribe for more fitness tips and routines.